I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and Bluetooth capability. If the unit has a removable battery, insert it and plug into AC. Turn the recorder on and switch to the Bluetooth input so the radio's stack is active. Press and hold the pair or Bluetooth button until the LED flashes or the unit announces pairing mode. This tells you the recorder is discoverable. Once done, make sure the blinking is steady and keep the recorder within a few feet of your phone or source device. Now on your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and scan for nearby devices. You should see the recorder's name listed. Tap the recorder name to initiate pairing. If a code appears, try common defaults like 0000 or 1234, otherwise accept any prompt shown. Once paired, you'll see a connected status. Make sure the recorder is selected as the audio output. If you hear no sound, adjust the recorder volume and the source's media volume. Keep both devices close until the connection stabilizes. Finish by playing a short audio clip to confirm quality and adjust volume on both the recorder and source. You want clear playback without dropouts. If the connection fails, power cycle the recorder and your phone, then repeat the pairing steps. This clears temporary Bluetooth cache issues. If problems persist, perform the recorder's Bluetooth reset or factory reset per the manual. This resolves corrupted pairing lists. One key troubleshooting tip: interference from nearby Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth devices can block pairing, so move to a quieter radio environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.